Hey guys, today Joshua and I are in our new kitchen. For those of you that don't know, we moved and you need to check out our empty house tour. We thought it would be super fun to cook together in our new kitchen, which we have not done that yet. So what's a little bit different about this cooking video is that instead of heading to our local grocery store and getting all of our ingredients, this video is sponsored by HelloFresh, which we are so excited about. We've been wanting to try out HelloFresh for so long. It's perfect for people who are just busy and still want to eat healthy and really awesome, great meals, but just don't want to think about what they're gonna make and don't have a ton of time to prepare. So all the meals don't take too long to make and most are very, very healthy. So if you guys are interested at all, I do have the website linked down below where you guys can check it out a little bit more, check out some of the meals, all the different options and stuff like that. If you guys want to get $30 off your first box, I do have a coupon code. It's Abbyefied, $30 off your first box. Why not just give it a try? So let's go ahead and check out and see what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight. What's in there?
So we got,
oh my goodness, we got aprons.
Dibs.
I was thinking about this today, that when I was younger, I would always record myself cooking in the kitchen because I wanted my own cooking show. So I guess this is as close as I'm gonna get.
Let's dig in.
So these are the 3 different meals that we got in our box. We got chicken cheddar fajitas, which look amazing. Meatloaf a la mom.
Ooh.
And veggie loaded orzo and sausage. And at the bottom of each sheet, it tells you like the prep time and calories and like the total cooking time and stuff like that. So that's really awesome too. So if you just want to pick like the fastest one or the healthiest one. So we have 3 different bags that came in here, and these have all the ingredients, and then the meat is down here too, our meat, and it has like little freezer packs down there so it stays good. What meal do you want to make tonight? So we decided to choose the chicken cheddar fajitas. They looked really good. Everything looks really good. Yeah. But it has everything in it that we need. So we have our little tortillas here, and they gave us quite a few. We got our cheddar cheese, an onion, a red pepper, ooh, some lime, getting fancy, a jalapeno, and then this looks like the seasoning right here. So it's really awesome. We literally just got enough for the 2 of us, and we're not gonna be wasting any food either.
Let's get to work. Alright, so I'm taking some sour cream. I'm going to put it in this bowl. Then I'm going to add some lime zest.
We've never done this before either. I think you're supposed to use like a peeler.
Do we have one?
Yeah. Yeah, you can use that. The cheese grater. Is it working?
Add up to 1 tablespoon more water to give creamy a drizzle consistency. Alright, we're just going to put this right in here. That's probably good. Mix her up.
Great job, babe.
Squeeze a little bit more into there. Give it a little bit of a, you know, zesty feel to it.
Just salt and peppering our sour cream. I mean, we're getting fancy now.
Just for presentation, just throw a little bit on the top.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
So I put the 6 tortillas on a baking sheet, and then I'm gonna sprinkle evenly with some cheddar cheese that they provided. Abigail is slicing the chicken over there.
Yep.
And I will sprinkle evenly using 1 hand. Sprinkle evenly, folks. That is far from even, but hey, whatever.
Chicken's going on, everybody.
Everyone, chicken's going on over there.
It's going on.
So this is going in. Chickens, 2 to 4. Tortillas, 1 to 2. Center rack, everyone.
Most important thing.
Now, we'll time it. There it is, right on the dot. So these bad boys They're tear jerkers. And they're fresh. Yeah. Very fresh.
Like
Hello fresh. They're like hello fresh. How we doing over here, babe?
Good. I added my salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper has been on and seasoned.
Oh, I gotta add the rest of my seasoning.
Oh yeah, you gotta put that Southwest seasoning on there. Look at this. Everyone just take a look at this. I made this. Some kind of sour clean blend.
Okay, what I love about this most is that I get to use my new gold measuring spoon.
What are those?
My Christmas gift. Alright, so we finished up our cooking. It really didn't take long at all. Well, you're not really in the camera. But yeah, it really didn't take long at all. The only thing is, we did keep our shells in a little too long. But it's okay, I think they're still gonna be good.
Here's hard shell tacos now.
We're gonna try it.
Here we go.
Not really good.
Mm-hmm. This like sour cream with lime is really good.
I was wondering if you were gonna like that.
Yeah, paired with that Southwest sauce the seasoning that they put on that.
The chicken seasoning is like
the chicken
incredible.
is so soft and fresh.
I bet these would be really, really, really good if we wouldn't have overcooked our tortillas, but you know. Anyways, it was awesome. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this fun little video. If you guys want to see more cooking type videos or anything like that, let us know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to check out the description box if you guys are looking for any more information about HelloFresh. I'll have the site linked there. And then also don't forget to use my coupon code Abbyefied30 to get $30 off your first box. So I hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you really soon in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.